Welcome to my course. It's about JavaScript and English. If you want to learn English and also learn basics of JavaScript in English, this course is for you. So we are going to have English IT vocabulary and dialects, A2, B2, intermediate level, all the materials about coding, about JavaScript. So you learn coding, but also main focus is to learn English. It's very important when you have your job meetings to be able to express yourself in English, to explain your work, soft skills, very important on IT market right now. So we're going to learn JavaScript basics and fundamentals, beginner level. English, it's intermediate, pre-intermediate, upper intermediate level, but JavaScript, beginner. Yes, so you know it probably already if you're interested in JavaScript, or maybe you're going to learn with me fundamentals of JavaScript together in English. This course is also going to improve your communication and soft skills for IT. You will learn many different words, IT-related words, and pronunciation, very important. I will pronounce everything clearly and you will improve your pronunciation of IT words. Very important for your colleagues to understand you better. So to join this course, you don't need any programming experience. It's for beginners in IT. But basic knowledge of English is necessary for this course. I hope you have fun together. Enjoy this course and let's learn English for JavaScript developers today, right now. Let's go. This course has 7 sections. First, it's introduction. Second, understanding basic syntax of JavaScript. We are going to learn variables, data types, operators. For each lecture about each topic, we are going to have a big dialogue, you and your colleague talking, or maybe with your mentor, with your boss, real dialogues from IT sphere with IT vocabulary. Next, section 3, control flow, loops, and functions. Again, we have dialects, we have different texts, a lot of great materials for this to understand in English. Section 4, arrays, objects, and object-oriented programming. Very important topic, and we are going to have some pieces of code, and I'm going to explain this in English. All the syntaxes, all the details of this code in English. When you learn it, you're going to be able to explain your code to your manager on the daily meetings, and it's going to improve your position in your company as a developer. Section 5, Document Object Model, DOM. We are going to learn it, manipulating web elements. Again, dialects, a little bit of code, vocabulary. Lesson number 3 in section 5, it's event handling. When you have different bugs, you need to fix something. Section 6, asynchronous programming. A little bit more advanced topic about JavaScript, but you also need it in English, especially on the job interview. When you have job interviews, they ask about that. I have prepared many students that learn English for IT with me, different interviews, different positions, and I'm happy to share my experience with you to help you to become more confident with your English when you work in IT with JavaScript. And section number 7, it's conclusion, and we're going to repeat a little bit what we have learned in this course. So the name of this course is Linguistic Coding, Mastering English for JavaScript, and we're going to do exactly that. We're going to learn English tenses used in dialects about JavaScript. We will have a dialogue and I mark different tenses and explain. So not only going to learn IT, but also English grammar. We will learn a lot of new English IT vocabulary through the dialects about the basics of JavaScript. We will explore a wide range of new IT-related English vocabulary through dialogues while covering the basics of JavaScript through engaging dialogues centered on JavaScript fundamentals. This course delves into an array of new English IT vocabulary, explore terminology crucial in IT landscapes, expanding your language proficiency while mastering coding basics, immerse yourself in conversations tailored to boost both your JavaScript knowledge and English in the same time. Thank you for joining this course. I hope it will be great for you. Let's have fun together. Let's learn English. Let's learn JavaScript. I wish you great time with this course. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's learn.